Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing the MGC 4x4. So let's go ahead and get right to it. I'll go right here. Alrighty. So I've been needing a good 4x4 to learn on. So I thought I might as well get the MGC because everyone said really good things about it. Oh wait, I think it's this way. Alrighty. Dang. Alrighty, so we got an accessories box. I'll get to that later. Then we got the actual cube. I've been super excited because people have said really good things about this. It's a good budget 4x4. So this is the one I went with. Oh yeah, I see what people meant. Let's try first layer corner cutting. All right there, a little back. Okay, yeah. It's flexible. I like the magnet strength on this. And like I'm not gonna hold the third layer. Oh wait, yeah, I'm gonna hold the third layer. If I only hold the second, nothing else will move. Compared to other 4x4s like non-magnetic 4x4s. Let's do 2 layers. Okay, so it's pulling down on the core, but it does the cut. All right, I'm gonna do it on the blue side since it's kind of bright. Gets a bit too far. Okay, yeah, so of course it has that mechanism where you can't really offset the center. See if we can take out a piece. The piece looks like a normal 4x4 piece. And the core looks normal. I can't see the magnets. I don't know where the magnets are. Trying to see if I can feel the magnets. Alright, so since I haven't actually learned 4x4, I'm going to solve it, or I'm going to scramble it 2x2 method. And it will kind of show if it's good. I know it's 2-layer turns, so it's going to be a little worse. It has a gritty sound. That's what it sounds like. The way it sounds is kind of how the way it feels. Okay. There we go. I'm going to be slow at this because it's a 4x4. I know this isn't the way you're supposed to solve it, but I just don't know how to do 4x4 yet. Dang. Okay. So far, I'm really liking this. It's got some flex. Compared to my other one, it's a lot better. Okay, wait. Yeah, easy patterns are easy to make. Checkerboard-ish pattern. It's an even cube, so you can't really do that. I don't know any others. The inner layers turn not too bad. Let's try 3 layers. Three layers cut. 3 layers cut is almost like 1 layer. Like, oh, I didn't do reverse corner cutting. Not much. Okay, so let's do reverse 4x4. No, reverse 2-8. I'm just trying to, oh wait, right here. Oh, there might not be any 2-layer corner. Okay. Let's do very little. I think it's really non-existent, honestly. I'm getting a lot more lockups on second layer. Yeah, I know this. It's a very good budget 4x4. I know it's not the best out there, but I just needed a budget 4x4. So this actually feels nice. And I'll loop it, and then maybe I won't. But at 100 subscribers, I think I'm gonna try to learn. Like, I'm gonna live stream me learning 4x4 and 5x5. Maybe not 5x5 because I have a very bad 5x5. It's super bad. Like, whenever you go for it, like whenever you just corner cut, it's very bad. I kind of want to get a better look at the center here. Yeah, so core white. It's got the internal pieces that would be on a 5x5, just hidden. Fun fact: a 4x4 has as much pieces as a 5x5. It's just the whole layer is hidden. Like this piece right here, and then the piece above it is the parts of a 5x5. So it's literally just a 5x5 with the hidden layer. Oh dang. Yeah, I can almost turn as fast as I can on a 3x3. I forgot the corner cutting is terrible in 2 layers. But yeah, honestly, as not knowing much about 4x4 as I do 5x5, this is a tremendously good cube. Okay. Since I haven't tried many or any other 4x4s, this is my favorite. The core is blue. Here's a better look. The inside. So there's the core, the piece in between the core, and that is. So to be the core of a 5x5, like the middle piece, another piece, and another piece. All right, let's go ahead and put all these pieces back. I'm gonna do another 2x2 solve. Gotta be careful because the corner cutting isn't the best. Uh-oh. There we go. So we gotta be careful. Because it is a 4x4. Alright, let's go. Oh man, second layer. Doesn't feel natural turning the second layer when it's a big cube. Alright, so this solve will be the last one for the video. And, oh. Oh yeah, back on track. Alright, I think that's going to be my final review for the YJ MGC magnetic 4x4. This is a great budget cube, only about $20. While there's other 4x4s out there that are cheaper, but this is probably the cheapest good one in my opinion. I haven't really tried other 4x4s, but I think that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you. Goodbye.